Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, my name is Farad Nalossin and I am from class Matrix C. Today my general topic on which I am going to deliver the lecture is ISSB test procedure. There are too many my friends who are interested in Pak Army, Pak Navy and Pak Air Force. So today I am here to guide them and tell them about the ISSB test procedure, that how the test will come in when they sit on the ISSB test at the center. So first of all, you should know that what is the full form of ISSB. The full form of ISSB is Inter-Service Selection Board. Inter-Service Selection Board, and it is a commission through which you can join Pak Army, Pak Navy and Pak Air Force as a second lieutenant, GD pilot or naval officer. So today in short time we have to cover our time, and we will talk about the initial test of Pak Army. So initial test, there are 4 stages of initial test. The first stage is the intelligence stage. The first stage is intelligence, and the second stage is academic, and the third stage that we have is physical, and after that the last one, fourth one is medical. So in intelligence test, there are in intelligence test the ISSB teacher will check your that how a person brain is sharp minded is, how a person quick is, how a person have brain strength. And there are also the two major types of intelligence test. The first one is the verbal and the second one is non-verbal. In verbal intelligence test, it is based on the numbers. In verbal intelligence test, it is based on the numbers, and after that the which is non-verbal, it is based on the figures. So the verbal intelligence test, it is not so easy that everyone can solve, and also not so difficult that no one cannot solve it. So there are too many examples, but in short time we will not write that example, and we have not available our board. So after that, when you will pass the intelligence test, you will face the academic. So the academic test, in academic test there will be Pakistan studies, the question from Pakistan studies, Islamiyat, English, maths, physics and general knowledge. So from the academic text question will become, and it is so easy test that a person, student having 700 plus marks in FSC can easily pass this test. And after that, when you will move forward, then you will cover the academic test. When you will pass the academic test, you will move toward the physical test. The physical test is a simple test in which they will check your that how a person fit is. They will check your fitness, and to verify that either you are fit or not. The things that you have to do is running for 8 kilometers. The running for 8 in 8 minutes. In 8 minutes you have to run 1.6 kilometers, and also you have to do the 15 repetitions of push-ups, and chin-ups you have to do in 2 minutes the 3 repetitions, and after that you have to do the sit-ups 15 repetitions in 2 minutes, and the ditch crossing. So the ditch crossing that we have is only for army, not only for navy or the air force. It is only for army and air force, only army but not for air force or navy. And the physical test is not for air force but only for navy and army. So after that there will be medical, and the medical test, they will it is a simple checkup that they will examine your certain condition, which is they will examine your height, which is minimum 5 foot and 4 inches, and after that they will examine your chest, which is required minimum is 80 centimeter, and with expansion there will be 5 centimeter, and after that they will check your weight. Weight will be according to BMI. There is a software in every calculator in mobile, Android mobile, and where you can calculate your weight and height, and you can calculate your BMI. So according to BMI they will check they will examine your weight, and after that they will check your defect, either you have knee knocking or not, and the arm straightness and other secret organ and flat foot. So this is our medical, and after that you have to do many other you have to face many other tests, and after that when you will do this you have to face when you will clear the initial test, you have to face the interview. And the interview, when you will be in a ISSB center for 4 or 5 days, so you have to face many other things, but the main thing is interview. So in interview, the interview will be taken by the major or lieutenant colonel rank officer. So they will ask you that the reason for joining Pak Army or Pak Navy or Pak Air Force. They will ask you the reason, and also they can ask the question from general knowledge, Pakistan studies, and your name, your brother name, or your sister name, or many other things, many other questions they can ask. So today my lecture is it, and if you have any question, you may ask. Thank you.
Okay, good, Shabas.